guys, this is my channel. I'm Pranav, and on this channel you'll find experiments, book reviews, my thoughts, etc. So today we'll be doing an experiment on, drumroll please, surface tension. So surface tension basically is a force in the surface of water that that is caused by the liquid molecules getting attracted to each other. So in basic simple terms, this will cause a film on the water that can hold light objects. Now we're going to use it to our advantage. In water, this principle is the same. As you can see, but you can't see it till now, there is surface tension in the water that is caused by the surface water molecules exerting an attraction over each other. Now I'll show 3 experiments to demonstrate this. The first experiment I call the cotton ball and chilled water experiment. So first, what you'll need is a glass, chilled water, hot water, and soapy liquid. Even though this might not sound that interesting, it is actually pretty cool. So pour your chilled water. Chilled water is better because this experiment is faster that way. Now you can see that it'll float. We all know that cotton floats before it sinks because it's lighter. Now, what if I told you I can make it sink faster? So what you need to do is mix the soap liquid you have into this liquid. So what we're doing here is decreasing the surface tension that is holding that cotton ball. This will cause it to sink faster. 2 methods of doing this is adding soap water to the mixture or adding hot water. So first, I just want to decrease, no motion at all. As you can see, it's sinking faster than before. This is because of the surface tension decreasing because of soapy liquid. I'll be right back after let's go to the hot water. Now just carefully pour it, do not let it touch your hands. Disclaimer, always allow your parents to do this, not yourself. I'm a responsible adult. Starting. Sink like a rock. As you can see, this is because the surface tension has decreased. There is no film to hold it, to be precise. Now, this is my first experiment. Moving to the second. We can move to the next experiment. This one is a great party trick, and I call it the magic finger trick. So pour your water. It can be just normal water, just pour it on this plate. It should be a white plate because it's better to show your trick. Now drop the pepper. You need pepper and soap liquid for this, okay? And spread it everywhere. Now what you'll need is keep your hand on this, keep your hand in this, and take a drop. Then I'll show you what I mean. See? This is because of the surface tension is obviously decreasing, but the water molecules don't want to leave the surface tension. So they'll move away from my soapy hand, pulling the pepper with them. It's a great party trick, and let me know if you try different materials other than pepper. I want to know if this works. So let's start the third project. For this you'll need few paper clips and normally a tissue paper. So we all know that paper clips usually sink in water. But what if I make it float for you guys? So for this you will need a tissue paper. The first method I'm going to show you needs a tissue paper. So gently place it on the top of the water. Gently put the paper clip on the water and then all you have to do is Aha. Now, as you can see, the paperclip is floating. For the second method, what you need is a paperclip that you have. You have to keep another one away. Now, what you have to do is bend the paperclip as I did and make it an L shape. Now, balance the paperclip that is going to float on this and then carefully do what I'm going to do. See? The paperclip is floating in both cases, that as I promised you guys. So what happens here is that when I kept it carefully on it, it's still floating because the surface tension is holding it, just like a film. I'm not allowing the paperclip to penetrate through the surface tension and sink, as usual paperclips do. So I hope you enjoyed these series of experiments. Do try these at home. So see you in the next video. Bye!